Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to J-Skeet Magic. Tonight I want to show you guys a very simple and easy pen trick. I'll do a performance first, and then as always I go ahead and show you guys how it's done. So as you see, we have a pen here, and obviously each pen has a logo right here, but I'm going to try to make it vanish on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. And as you see, it vanishes just like that. Gone. Vanishes. But watch, if I just give it a little spin or roll it on the mat, it reappears. Alright guys, that's performance. Now here's the tutorial. Okay guys, this is called the paddle move, and basically what it is basically you're showing the same side twice, but you're making the spectator believe that the logo vanishes from this side. So this is basically the move right here. So you start out and say that you have a pen here, and obviously you have a logo, and basically what you do is you say on the count of 3 I'm gonna make it vanish. I'm gonna make the logo disappear. So you say, you go 1, 2, and then on the count of 3 I just rotate it like that. So it's like 1, 2, 3. Basically I make it disappear, but that's all I'm doing. That's the only move. So you go from here to here. That's step 1. And now step 2, this doesn't take a little practice, but what you do is as you come up like this, you're going to rotate your hand just like that. See that? So you have it like this, and as you come up like this, you're basically just going to rotate. So you take it here and rotate up, and then you show that. So basically what I'm doing is I'm showing the side, but you don't see the side because of that paddle move. So again, I'm showing you this side, I twist, and I come up and I'm showing you that same side again. That's basically it, guys. That's just basically the paddle move, and you just gotta, again, this is the move. You just, like this, 1, 2, rotate, and then when you get to this position, you start to practice that move just like that. That's basically it. You come from up here, and when I get to this position right here, I just flip it. I just rotate my hand just like that, and that's basically it, guys. That's just the only move. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And as always, guys, more videos are on their way. So this has been an episode of J-Skeet Magic, and I will see you guys next time. Peace, guys.